Happy Monday day to people. So I'm going to show off some, I don't know how to title this, maybe DIY Power BI tools or bring your own software. I'm going to call it like personalized software. But AI makes it extremely easy to start creating tools that are application based that can help you manage your Power BI ecosystem. They can help you uh, find errors. They can help you with your refreshes, just so many things. And I'm building out this tool that helps me be more productive in maintenance, understanding, searching, anything you can think of, managing my Power BI system. So I'm going to show you where I'm at right now. So I have a lot of different tools or folders, I guess, um, on my left side. I'm going to go through those. So first one's my report rebinder. So what this essentially does is allows me to quickly rebind any reports to a semantic model, and I can do multiple reports at once. Makes it really easy to be able to do that. So all I have to do is come in here. Let me select this. Okay, so let's do this. Go here. We'll select our workspace. I can load my reports in it, and then I can select my workspace of the data set I want to rebind it to, and then I can select my data set, and then I can pick any report I want to rebind to that target data set. And like I said previously, this helps where this is useful for me is when we're cleaning up data sets and maybe we just switch the entire name of that data set, but that data set has tons of reports tied to it. I can quickly rebind this to all of those reports, that new data set. Might have to switch some things around, but that speeds up the time quite a bit. Now, the second thing is a data set refresher. So what I can do here is I can pick my workspace, I can pick my data set, and what's nice about this now is I can refresh just specific tables in that data set. I don't have to refresh the whole thing. So let's say maybe you have a source database like SQL Server or maybe BigQuery. Maybe the tables didn't get loaded for whatever reason. Your model doesn't fail, but once it's ready, you don't want to have to do a full refresh. You can pick a specific table. I'm going to open this up a little bit and make this a little bit more usable too, is I want to be able to search any table in any data set in the future, and then I'll be able to refresh it. So it's not data set specific. I can refresh essentially any table on any data set. So if there's multiple data sets or semantic models that use maybe that table that didn't get loaded, I can hit them all at once and I don't have to do a full refresh then. That's a really, really, really cool um, concept for us. So now this next one is report object searchability. So I can search through any of my reports and find any object on it. So if it has a measure, if it's using a table from a Power BI model, and this helps with impact analysis. So let's say I have a measure, a list price. I can search through and find all of my semantic models that have that object on it. So again, if I'm changing something in my semantic model and I'm like, oh, okay, what's what reports does this actually impact, especially if that model is tied to many, many reports, this helps with that. I don't think I have my model object search done. That's just kind of a placeholder. But here's another thing. So I have some files that back up both my reports and my semantic models. What I can do is actually see differences between the newest save of my history of my reports and the second oldest, so I can spot any changes. I can see what new reports are being added, what measures might be changing between those. So this is a really cool kind of difference tool that I can use really quickly. I'm gonna down the road make this more dynamic so I can have very specific filters and things like that. And then I do the same thing for my model differences. We can see there's no changes here, but let me jump in 1 second while I do this. I'm going to jump in and make a change on something so we can see what this looks like here. Let me delete this out and we'll jump back into maybe this model difference and see if it picks up. See, it picks up, we removed a semantic model, so this captures it. So if I make a change in that semantic model too, this should capture it. Just really cool. Um, Again, DIY, do it yourself tools or software that I'm creating for Power BI. The scope is me right now, but I think with the age of AI, a lot of people can have stuff like this that make them a lot more productive with, again, effectively managing their Power BI system. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you are having a blessed Monday, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.